Hello, Mark Honlock, Director of Horticulture, Green Bay Botanical Garden, and
Amanda Hatton, seasonal gardener.
welcome to the Partnership Garden at Green Bay Botanical Garden, which is also our AAS display garden.
Come on in.
Come on in, we'll give you a little tour. So here at Green Bay Botanical Garden, we showcase the AAS seed-winning edible plants, which you can see over here are tomatoes, peppers, broccoli, all the different veggies that are winners. And then also the ornamental from seed that are winners and the ornamental vegetative winners. So a lot of those vegetative winners, as you know, are container plants. So we have containers mixed in here and we incorporate them in our raised beds, which we'll show you a little bit on. I wanted to go over this way first, show you our edible section. So all these edibles that we grow, we also partner with a local group called Aspiro that helps us take care of this garden, and then we harvest the veggies when they're ready and donate them to Paul's Pantry, a local food bank. This year in our partnership garden, we also have vegetables from African American culture, Oneida culture, Hmong culture, and Hispanic culture. A lot of the AAS winners are those things too, so we incorporated them first and foremost, and then it's supplemented with other crops. So you can see the other cool thing we have here is that our signs with the AAS winners, we modified this year so that they have a picture of what the fruit looks like. So when you first come here in the springtime and you just see a pepper plant or tomato plant, it's not as exciting, but when you come and see this label, you'll be like, oh, I want to come back and see that and probably taste it a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Also, cool thing about the label, we have the QR code here from Diane and Company, so you can get right to the website as a guest and see that plant, more information about it, and also the sources for purchasing. So that's a really great way for AAS to, get more traffic out of the signs that we have here at the garden. Another thing we do is incorporate some of the flowers in with the veggies in the containers, but also here. This is the orange flame. I burnt my hand. It's not a flame, it's a flame. It's hot, Just kidding. It didn't really hurt me, actually. But anyway, we incorporate the winners of the flowers into the veggies a lot of times. We try to color echo the fruits and everything like that to all your design principles. I mean, we do garden here in Green Bay in the frozen tundra, but icicles in summer, ridiculous. We also have some new art glass in this area to celebrate our Pride in Community garden. Looks really nice amongst these strawberries here, including AAS winner Deliz, one of my favorite AAS winners, a strawberry from seed, delicious, or should I say delicious. This garden's on fire! Oh yeah, Candle Fire Okra, AAS winner, has the awesome pods, the cool color stem, and also we use the AAS winning coleus here, Coral Candy, to color echo the okra. Genius!
I incorporated some AAS winning perennials along my fence, including this Cheyenne Spirit coneflower.